Hi everyone, I've got a gel polish review today, and this is from Laguna Moon. That sounds like a nice, when you look outside and you see an unusual looking moon. It's a Laguna Moon. It comes in a lovely box, and with these, if you can see that there, dress to impress on there. So these fade, so they've done it so those two there are similar. Then you've got those two as well that are similar, and then you've got those. You'll have to excuse the banging, we've got the gardener in next door, and those two. So it's like having a light and a not so dark, but on the similar shade. So I'll get some false nails and we'll have a look at these gels. Just before I do go on to doing the nails, I mean, it does come in this lovely box, and all your instructions are here, and they're so easy to follow. You've got no problem whether you're new at doing this or you're not. You know, so you've got no problem whatsoever in following those instructions. And there's not, I don't think, from what I've read, are there any spelling mistakes either, which makes a nice change. So I'll just get on now. So what I'm going to do with the colours that pretty much match each other, I'm going to do a very thin layer, sweeping it down, and with the lighter of the colours, and the darker one I'm going to fade up. Like I say, very lightly. Then I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to do the same thing again for 60 seconds. So I'm going to use the last of the two colours, which is that one. Turn it, I had to get someone to open them, they were tight, and that one. So I'm going to use this at the top, that at the bottom. I mean, obviously you'll do it as you want to do your own. You know, you don't have to do it this way. You can do one nail one and one nail another. So there are those two done. They're beautiful colours. Some, I would say, only need one coat, and some need two. This one needed two. What I'm going to do now is just put a top coat over the top. That gives a nice shine. and then I'm going to cure that and the other one for 30 seconds. No, sorry, 60 seconds. So they are finished. This one is these two here, and I actually managed to fade that pretty well. I mean, underneath there's one of my stickers, so that makes it a little bit lighter, but that faded quite well. The other two, which is that one, which was that colour and that colour, and these two are those. Beautiful little gels. I was so surprised how well. I think it does help if they are lighter colours to actually fade, but it says your choice. Well, I'd like to thank Laguna Moon for sending me these in this lovely little box. I will leave a link in my drop down box where you can get these from, and I hope you've enjoyed this little video, and you may go and try them. I don't know if they've got other different types of colours that go together. Have a look on their site, and hopefully I'll see you in my next. Bye!